Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning. Today we will continue our lesson to discuss about 1.4 importance of responses to stimuli in animals. So what I want you to do is please read this 1.4, all the text given in the textbook for importance of responses to stimuli in animals. So in animals, as shown here, they have their own characteristic of vision, and also have their own characteristic of hearing. Yeah? So we will discuss a little bit uh, about this one, and after we have discussed all these things, I want you to answer the question given in this textbook, formative practice 1.4. So answer all the questions given here, and then after that do a full conclusion about the chapter 1, stimuli and responses. So please read and write all these things, self-reflection, and after that I want you to do this summative practice 1. Answer all the following question. Question number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, 6, 7, 8. All the question given in this textbook. So I hope that you can do the instruction given here, and because I have my own job today, so I ask you to do all these things. So based on what we have here in importance of responses to stimuli in animals, so animals will have two types of vision, that is stereoscopic and monocular vision. Okay, what is the difference between these two types of different type of vision, stereoscopic and monocular vision? Okay, as we can see here, stereoscopic vision, okay, humans and animals such as cats and owls have a pair of eyes located in front of their head. So based on the location of eyes, compared to this one also, based on the location of eyes, so these two type of vision can be described. So for any animals that have eyes located in front of their head, located in front of their head, like humans and other animals, example given here. So this is what we call as a stereoscopic vision. While animals such as rats, chickens, rabbit, and other animals, okay, their eyes located on opposite side of their head. So this characteristic for what we call as the monocular vision. Monocular vision. So this one, rat, chicken, rabbit have a pair of eyes located on opposite side of their head. So what is the main characteristic for this stereoscopic vision and monocular vision? So the stereoscopic vision have this type of vision. You can see from here different color given here. So field of monocular vision and field of stereoscopic vision. Okay, the characteristic for monocular vision is given here. Okay, what you can say about this one is the characteristic of stereoscopic vision and monocular vision is given here. Okay, so I want you to read all these things. What is the difference between these two types of stereoscopic vision and monocular vision? So what is the most important is, so the stereoscopic vision have the ability to estimate distance accurately and helps animals to hunt, while monocular vision have a wide field of vision, helps animals to detect their enemies coming from any direction. So this type of different vision will make human and most predators have stereoscopic vision, while most prey have monocular vision. So I want you to read and try to understand the characteristic for these different types of vision: stereoscopic vision and also monocular vision. Yeah. Okay. After that, I want you to read about stereophonic hearing. So this is based on the type of hearing for the animals. Okay, so I want you to read this one. What is the importance of having a pair of ears to humans and animal? So this kind of uh, creation, pair of ears, will have what we call as a stereophonic hearing, in which we are using both ears. So this type of stereophonic hearing allows us to determine the direction of sound accurately. So we can locate what is the source of the sound that coming from. So this stereophonic hearing helps predators to determine the location of their prey, and conversely, stereophonic hearing also help prey to determine the location of their predators and to escape from them. Okay, so the hearing frequency for every animal is different. So based on here, okay, every individual of animal will have their different hearing frequency range. So we can see from here, human being between 20, the range of hearing frequency is between 20 to 20,000 hertz, while sea lion, dolphin, elephant, dog, bat, and rat have different frequencies of hearing range. So this is about the hearing frequencies range. Okay, so lastly, sensory organ ensure the survival of animals on Earth. So very important for every animals on Earth to survive by using their sensory organ. So that's all for today. I have an invigilation process today, so I hope that you can do the task given here and complete all the exercise given, and make sure that you do in your note and note and exercise book, and also in your process science book. Please complete all the given tasks. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much.